We got a 36-inch Robbins & Myers Hunter. Steady she goes. I'm in a weird position. It's hard to hold this steady. See if I can get the light to come on. Oh, come on. Light. Okay, it's model number 22297. 12 amps. Oh, what is that serial number? Looks like 1660. Anyway, these are not the original blades. The original blades are somewhere else. They don't, these blades here adjust. This is a non-reversible motor, and the original blades that came with it were always in the downward position. You can't be moved. But these are adjustable. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust them all back to the. There we go. It's a 2-speed motor. I gave it a little coat of paint a while back, but I really haven't done anything else to it. I'll get down in a better position to start this thing up. Okay, here we go. It's got 2 speeds. First one is high. That's about as fast as it goes. We might have a bad coil in there somewhere. And that's low. Low is really low on this one. Still moves a lot of air on low. Yep, that settled down on low. Doesn't take long for it to stop either. We'll get closer up there. That motor hum. Go ahead and start it off. Come on. Why won't this thing ever stay focused? Certainly not the fastest little 36-inch hunter. I've seen others that spin a lot faster than this one. But it seems like it slowed down when I put these blades on. These blades are probably heavier, and they might have a sharper pitch, which is why it would go a little slower. Seems like it blows the same amount of air though. Anyway, thanks for watching.